Hey everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Hope you're well. Today is September 21st, 2021, and I'll be analyzing Neometals, which the SX code is NMT. This is another EV-related stock, but unlike the other stocks that we've been analyzing this channel, this company has a very particular project, which is to do with lithium-ion battery recycling. Nobody's paying attention of what the hell is going to happen with all these batteries going to start piling up once they're used. I'm talking about car batteries. They're massive. They're going to have to be disposed somewhere. So maybe this company has the answer, and that's why we are interested on this project and perhaps even putting these companies up in our portfolio. Let's have a look. I just want to remind this is not a financial advice, it's just us from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy, when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, how we avoid FOMO, and much more, all in this channel for you. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and also press the little bell on the top so you know you have notifications about our videos. Now, guys, I'm actually done analysis of this stock. It's right here, and I'm going to be sharing this link in our Facebook group, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders, which I will be putting the link at the description below. If you're not a member of our Facebook group yet, what are you waiting for? Now, let's jump straight into this analysis. So basically, this company has a very interesting project. So basically, so you understand a little bit, Neometals engages in a mineral exploration and projects development aiming and actually proving to provide good returns for shareholders and investors. So basically, they develop all the project, they end up selling and then distribute to shareholders, okay? This is, I'm not very fan of this aspect, okay? But I'm fan of the projects that they're looking forward within the next 5 to 10 years, which they are described actually here. So first one is lithium-ion battery recycling project. Then second one, lithium refinery project, and also Barabay titanium and vanadium project. If you know, vanadium is a very used material as well, and they believe that vanadium could be well used in a battery for the long run. So all companies' projects give investor massive exposure to EV-related material. Okay, so those three projects the company is actually doing, they all sort of are correlated to electric vehicles industry. And that's something very interesting because, as you know, we've been trading quite a few EV-related stocks, mostly lithium, but we did some graphite stock as well, like Novonix and Tauga. But this particular one bring us the answer about what happened with all those batteries. The batteries that are being disposed, those guys is actually working a really compelling project to actually recycle the batteries, not just the batteries, but actually extracting the anodes that you normally need to mine out of these batteries. So it's really good, and they actually in advancing stage, currently feasibility study, and then they aiming to start commercial scale operation within 12 months time from now, which is very short term for this type of project. And provided that they are focusing to European market, this is the second largest market in the world. So you should really take a look on this stock. So then, and this analysis actually talk about each of the projects, which for me, the most important is the battery recycling, but then they obviously combined to this project, they also have a lithium refinery, which comes out of this project as well, and then a separate project of a vanadium project. So a recovery project as well out of batteries. So all these make this company very interesting. Now, regarding the share price, I'm actually going to open a live here. Okay. So look, as you can see here, investors have already find value in this stock. Okay. So ideally, where we like to be buying is when we have this intersection, which is we call bullish intersection, as you been following us in the channel. Now, the problem at the moment is, despite the stock is actually very bullish, it is that the SP is currently trading 66% above this bullish intersection. So it's quite low. So now quite higher, but obviously it brings the SMA up as well. Nevertheless, the SP, the share price, the candle itself, where it closed, which is 90 cents, is actually trading about 12% above the SMA. And just now, because if you bought yesterday, I would say that we missed a little bit, potentially it will fall. But if you have bought yesterday, I think it will be a lot more safer safer entry if you buy on intraday, because it went down to 81 cents, which is much more closer than 77 cents SMA. Now, SMA is sitting at 77 cents. That will be the perfect entry price at 77 cents or under, because we want to make sure we have a safe sort of a guide. And obviously, once we enter in this stock, we're not in a position yet, but I think this is a very interesting stock. I've been put here a nice buying point around this sort of yellow square here. A very interesting buying point around this sort of level where the red line is currently trading. But as the stock keeps progressing its share price, you're going to see this red line keep going up as well. Now, the advantage of having this stock is that you actually holding a stock that is not the conventional lithium producer is actually going to it's going to be focused in recycling, and that's something that a lot of governments will be looking at into the long run, not just now, but into the long run. So really interesting stock here, but you need to make sure you buy at the right time. And I think, honestly, I think it's expensive at the moment. I would attempt to buy this stock once it falls around this sort of level. Okay, so obviously once you buy the stock, you got to make sure you have a stop loss to protect a potential fall, protect your capital. We normally if you buy under SMA, we normally tend to set up in speculative stock. This is speculative stock, but it's very interesting over the long over the next 12 to 24 months. When you set up stop loss, you got to make sure you buy around the SMA, and then you set up 15 to 20%. I would say 20% for this type of speculative stock. Okay, you only buy this type of company if you're willing to lose money if you're trading. Now, if you invest for the long run, then you just hold. Don't even put a stop loss. Just hold that and hope that company will be able to deliver its project. Most of its projects are in a joint venture with other companies, so 50-50, which means you have to split part of the profit, but they aim to escalate using other companies' knowledge and expertise into building a production lines. So that's what they want to do. Guys, this was my take in Neometals. Very interesting stock to have in your portfolio, but it needs to be bought at the right time, and I think it's a little bit expensive at the moment. Keep that on the watch list. Have a good night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.